Need to fix Instagram message primary or general option not showing? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, move into your application Instagram and make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now if you head over to your chat section, you will be able to see that there is no any general or primary section that has been divided. In order for you to have them, you must have the professional mode on. So move into profile, tap on this three line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings and activity, you have to scroll all the way down, and in the section of for professionals, you have to move into account type and tools. Click on switch to professional account. Tap on next. Simply select a title that describes you. Once selected, tap on switch to professional profile. Tap on OK. Wait for a while for it to load. Now you can either choose creator or business. Once selected, tap on next at the bottom of the screen. Click on skip at the bottom. Tap on this cross icon. Now if you go back and head over to your chat section, you will be able to see that the primary and general section has been categorized. Now you know that in order for you to have the primary and general section, you must switch your account to professional mode and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.